Parekh sat in the front row flanked by her forever friends, yesteryear screen legends Helen, Wahida Rehman and Shami, all color coordinated in black. They were at Taj Lenzen, Bandra, Mumbai for the launch of Asha's autobiography The Hit Girl with film critic writer Khalid Mohammed. While Salim Khan made a quick exit from the event, Asha's Carvaan co-star Jitendra, who has recently returned from a 3-day birthday celebrations to mark his 75th in Jaipur, stayed on, and so did Aruna Irani, who had featured in the film too. Also present were composers Anandji and Pyarelalji, who had tuned many of the hit girls' chart busters, the latter making everyone smile as he walked in clutching wife Sunila's hand. Imran Khan, who arrived with mum Nuzhat, obliged gathered fans with selfies. Jackie Shroff was a knight in shining armour, rescuing a bemused Asha from a crowd of fans and chatting with her in Gujarati, escorted her to where she was expected to sign copies. While the hotel's patrons queued up in the lobby to get a glimpse of the star attendees, proceedings at the Do gained momentum with the arrival of Salman Khan, who was punctuated by the shutterbugs scrambling for a good shot. The hit girls Aya Sawan Jhumke and Shikar co-star Dharmendra made a quiet entry in the middle of the launch, taking a corner seat in the front row. Within minutes, Salman walked off the stage to greet the senior actor with a warm hug, touched his feet for blessings. And Salman unveiled the book as well as gave a wonderful speech on the yesteryear actors and their togetherness till date.
We've known Asha ji since we were kids, all of us, and she's been very dear to us. Vaida auntie, we live in the same compound. Helen auntie, my mother, and they've all been so close, which today's girls should understand that. They should Saira auntie, Shammi auntie, Sadhana auntie, everyone have been really, really close. It's something that you don't see anymore. I think it's like the best quality that that generation had, and we have lost that quality. We become friends again, but they were never not friends since the time they came into, the movie industry, the film industry. They've always been together. Nanda auntie is no more, she's not with us anymore, but Nanda auntie and Vaida auntie were the thickest of friends. I'm really, really pleased that I'm here, and book to kharido. You must buy the book, and go buy the book, because this generation has lived the cleanest life possible, professionally and personally. So it will be a book of values, of principles. It will have its highs, it will have its lows, it will have its fun moments, it will have the whole career graph. I think this is something you must read, because it will only elevate you as a person. Thank you.
Asha Parekh thanked Salman Khan Dil Se and spoke about the book too.
Dear friends, I am overwhelmed. I thought that since I have not exactly kept a high profile or sparked headlines, very few people would be interested in knowing what I have to say today. Your presence and the smiles I see in the hall today mean a lot to me. It's almost as if my decades-long journey, professional and personal, have made a connect with all of you. What I have to say then, are a few essentials. 1, my autobiography. I agreed to after much procrastination. Should I? Should I not? Then I convinced myself that I have nothing to be wary about as long as I don't touch my words in obscurity, but say it in the way it was working in our fabulous film industry from the black and white days, which breezed majorly towards color in the 1960s. From a child artist to a leading lady, the transition was not exactly easy. It's luck and the faith instilled in me by my directors and the film industry at large, which seemed to be in my favor. I was blessed by the Lord and the encouragement of my parents. Secondly, in the course of constructing the book, there was the recurring questions from my friends, family, and the fans who have preserved their interest in me. The question was, is there enough masala in the book? Or is it a tell-all? Or is it well evasive? To that, my honest answer is that I have attempted to be absolutely honest, sincere. My words are neither cloaked in vagueness nor sensationalism. Truth. It's the big word, I know, but truth is what you will find in the book. Third point, I would not be alive and standing here before you without the unflagging support of my friends Wahida Rahman, Saira Banu, Helen Khan, Shami Auntie, and the Khan family. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being there for me always through thick and thin. And my heart cannot express enough gratitude to Salman Khan, whom I've seen ever since he was in a cradle and then as a lively child, and now, of course, as a superstar and a man dedicated to being human. Salman, thank you for penning the foreword for your Auntie Asha and for being here today to launch the book. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in thanking Salman personally.
Well, Asha Parekh is still the hit girl with so many friends surrounding her on a big day.